right there is the danger zone. If you ever have problems with your bathroom water not going down, this is how you fix it. First off, you get a little tool to pop open that up, and then you get your other little tool to yank the trouble spot out, and then the danger zone happens. All right, let's see how this works here. Of course, don't forget to get yourself a little bag, because you're gonna need that bag to put what comes out of there, because it's gonna be nasty. So let's do this here. First, let's get everything out of the way. Okay, now pop open this. This comes right out here, and inside there is the nasty gooey stuff. I mean, it's just bad. Take this little bad boy, and you just kind of slide it in there, and you want to go as far as you can, all the way in there, and then you want to twist it around a bit. Let's see, and then of course you don't want to get this bad boy ready, because it's gonna have to go in there. All right, so let's see if you can see or not. But here goes. Here it comes. Oh, come on, come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Swirl it around. Make sure we get it all. Make sure we get all of it. Okay. Ooh, it stinks so bad. Okay. Here it comes. And put it in the bag. And this thing's nasty. Oh, it stinks so bad. It's just basically decaying hair. Then you're gonna want to tie this up really tight, because it smells bad. And then go to the side, and then you just put the top back on, like that. And that's how you fix your drain in your shower that's not going down. Pretty easy, pretty simple. And of course, you're gonna want to use like some Clorox bleaches to wipe that down, kill all the bacteria and decaying hair, and then spray in here, because this thing's bad. All right, there it is. Like this video, give a thumbs up. Until next time, peace out. All right.